This is another episode of military comparison between Turkey versus India. So let's begin. India-Turkey relations refers to the bilateral relations between India and Turkey. Recently, Turkish company Zyron Dynamics to export nearly 100 drones to India till next year. At first, global rank of India is 4, whereas Turkey is in 13th rank. Next is capital. New Delhi is the capital city of India, whereas Ankara is the capital of Turkey. The GDP nominal of India is $3.535 trillion, whereas GDP of Turkey is $690 billion. Population of India is 1.42 billion, whereas population of Turkey is 86.5 million. Draupadi Murmu is the President of India, whereas Recep Tayyip Erdogan is the President of Turkey. After this, defense budget of India is $70.6 billion, whereas defense budget of Turkey is $19.00 billion. Let's see how capable is ground force of both the countries. The Indian Army has total 1,455,500 active personnel, whereas Turkish Armed Force has 425,000 active personnel. Coming to the reserve personnel, the Indian Army has total 1,155,000 reserve personnel, whereas Turkish Armed Force has 200,000 reserve personnel. The Indian Army has 2,527,000 paramilitary forces, whereas Turkish Armed Force has 150,000 paramilitary force. Indian Army has 4,614 plus combat tanks, whereas Turkish Armed Force has 3,022 plus combat tanks. Indian Army has total 1,200 plus armored vehicles compared to Turkish Armed Force, which has 13,270 plus armored vehicles. Indian Army has 1900 plus MRAP, whereas Turkish Armed Force has total 2900 plus MRAP. Indian Army has 2500 plus APC compared to Turkish Armed Force, which has 1555 plus APC. Indian Army has 1338 plus mobile rocket projectors, whereas Turkish Armed Force has 407 plus mobile rocket projectors. Indian Army has total 3,411 plus artilleries, whereas Turkish Armed Force has 2,145 plus artilleries. Now let's see how powerful is the air power. Indian Air Force has more than 2,182 aircrafts compared to Turkish Air Force, which has more than 157 aircrafts. Indian Air Force has 130 attack aircrafts, whereas Turkish Air Force has 0 attack aircrafts. Coming to fighter aircrafts, Indian Air Force has more than 601 fighter aircrafts, whereas Turkish Air Force has 205 plus fighter aircrafts. After this, Indian Air Force has more than 435 plus trainers compared to Turkish Air Force, which has more than 270 trainers in its inventory. Indian Air Force has more than 256 transport aircrafts, whereas Turkish Air Force has 81 plus transport aircrafts. Indian Air Force has total 563 plus helicopters, whereas Turkish Air Force has 474 plus helicopters. Indian Air Force has 52 fighter helicopters compared to Turkish Air Force, which has 107 fighter helicopters. At last, let's compare the navy of both the countries. Currently, Indian Navy has around 296 plus ships, whereas Turkish Navy has around 156 plus ships. Indian Navy has around 13 frigates compared to Turkish Navy, which has 16 frigates. After this, Indian Navy has 22 corvettes, whereas Turkish Navy has 10 corvettes. Indian Navy has around 10 destroyers, whereas Turkish Navy has 0 destroyers. Indian Navy has 17 submarines, whereas Turkish Navy has 12 submarines. India has more than 156 nuclear weapons, whereas Turkey has 0 nuclear weapons.